Hello, everyone, and welcome you again to another chapter or another class on Adobe Premiere Pro. So here, this is the class project number 2, and here you'll be doing color correction in our footage. I'll be showing how you can enhance the beauty and also change the intensity, the temperature, and also if you want to bring out any of your minute detail inside your footage, how you guys can do that in this project. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys from the beginning of how to start. I'll be telling you guys about the steps as well, what all steps you need to follow, and what all things you can do using this particular option. So I also will show you guys step-by-step process of how to start on with all of this. So first, let's see what all steps you guys need to follow. So here you guys can see doing color correction in your footage, and here I do have a description why you do need this. So it is basically used to adjust and enhance the color and tones in your footage to make it quite visually appealing and to ensure a cohesive style throughout your project. So the first step here is you need to import your footage in media browser. And after that, make a sequence for the particular footage and also open the Lumetri color option. So once you do that, the fourth step is gonna be you will edit your footage accordingly, okay? Because every footage differs. If I do have a light footage, maybe my editing will be different. If I do have a bright footage, in that case, my editing or my color choices will be different. So you do it according to yourself. I have also shown you guys how to do that and what is the use of what all options can be used. So I have explained you guys everything there in my tutorial as well. So if you guys have any problem regarding all of this, you guys can always refer that. And after that, you need to export your video into your system. And after that, upload both the files in our project panel, means the original and also the edited video. Okay, so now let's see how you guys can start off with that. So here, as you guys can see, I do have my particular workspace here. Double click and I will be redirected to this particular page here. So now from here, basically, I'll be choosing a video. Suppose I'll take this one, I'll open it here. And now from this one, I want to make a sequence. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'll come and click here, or I can just directly click Control N from my keyboard. And from here now I will create one sequence. So I will name this as class project 2 and I'll click on OK. And here you guys can see I do have this. And what I can do is I will import this particular video in my sequence. So as I do have this video, I will take this and I will drop it down somewhere here. So here I do have this video. Okay. And I will click on change sequence settings. And here you can see this is the same size. Now come to the Lumetri color option. Okay, so come to the Lumetri color, or I can also search it from here. Okay, so there I have. And from here, basically, I will go to the basic correction. And from basic correction, if you want to auto this one, if you want to auto update all of this, you guys can do that. And if you guys don't want to do that, in that case, you guys can also manually do all of this. Okay, so let's see how you guys can manually do that. Suppose I want to increase this one. I can click on this. So here, as you can see, you can check the difference here. And if I want to make it kind of yellowish, I can go to this side. I can work on with my tint as well. I can change the exposure and the contrast a little bit. highlights, and also I will use a bit of shadows here. Okay. And maybe I'll focus on the whites and on the blacks a little bit. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood about this color correction here. And if you want to do some color grading on this total thing here, come to this creative option and you guys can change the intensity and all from here as well. Okay. So if you want to adjust this frame, if you want to sharpen this, a little bit. You guys can do that. Check on to the vibrance and also the saturation a bit. Okay, so now here you guys can see my particular video or the frame. Okay, so if you guys have any question regarding all of this, you guys can always recommend my video on color grading as well as color correction. I have explained you there in detail. Okay, so hope you guys have understood the steps what I have showed you. Follow this and upload both of your project. And I'm really eager to check out your work. Just drop it in our project panel. Okay, take care and goodbye, everyone.